Hi guys, welcome to another video. Today I'm gonna show you how to solve a 2x2. And I don't think you can super flip a 2x2, so I'm not even going to try because it's even numbered. And that's like the only thing I don't like about 2x2s. Okay, so now let's scramble it. And here we have a scrambled 2x2. The first step is to get a white layer here or anywhere necessarily. And we want all of the side colors to be the same, so it doesn't just look white here and look all scrambled on the sides. I see a white corner here with blue and red. We can find another corner that has some of the same colors like this one. For the first two corners, technically you can just move them around until they get to somewhere you like. This is counterintuitive. Well, it is intuitive, not counterintuitive. So we have this bar here, and next we want another corner here, or here, but I see this corner, so we can put it in here. We want to flip this corner down, and then insert it. Now these will be, how you do this will be explained in my 3x3 tutorial linked up there in a card. And we have another corner facing up also. Move it down and insert it. Now we have this white layer done with all of the colors on the side done. Now this is very important because you don't want to solve the top and notice that you don't have the bottom done. So make sure you have that done, and on to the second step. For the second step, there are going to be 7 cases you can run into, and this is of course one of them. And I'm gonna go through each of the cases separately, so here we go. Case number 1. Alright, so people might recognize this as Sune or Sune, or whatever you call it, S-U-N-E. So for this case, we want to lift this corner up, do that, and then double flick back. And that's first case. And now the second case. This is Anti-sune or Sune. And for this one, what you want to do is lift it up, double flick here, and you can do a thumb if you want, and then insert this corner. Third case, you have this, a bar here and a bar here. Well, you know, a single-sided bar. And what you want to do is F, R, U, R prime, U prime as a trigger. And you want to do that trigger 3 times, so do it 2 more times. And then F prime, and you have to top finished. Case 4. This is case 4 with a bar here like the last case, but instead of the headlights pointing, instead of headlights here, we have one here, one here. And what we can do for this is F, and then we have the same trigger, which is RU, R prime, U prime, and then we do that twice this time, so once more. And then 5th case, this is another one of those ones where we do F, and this time we only do that trigger once, so R, U, R prime, U, and then we do an F prime and solve the top again. And 6th case. This is the 6th case, and what you want to do is you have, you have to line up here, you have the 2 things pointing out, and what you want to do is that trigger again, we use that a lot, R, U, R prime, U prime, and you want to do a sledgehammer, which is another trigger, which goes something like this, R prime, F, R, F prime, and you have the top solved, and then we have the last case. Then we have this case, which is also the last case. What we want to do is the opposite of the case we just did. So instead of doing R, U, R prime, U first, we do sledgehammer first. We also do the reverse of that. So we want to do F, R prime, F prime, R. And after we have this corner here, we want to reverse R, U, R prime, U prime. So we do U, R, U prime, R prime. And that's the last case, and we have the top solved. And also, if you can't solve as a case, you get to skip to the next step, which is called PLL, and that has only 2 algorithms, so you don't have to worry about memorizing too much. The first algorithm is where you put this headlight bar here. This will be either a Y-Perm or a T-Perm, you choose, and so you put the bar on here for either algorithms, and for the Y-Perm, it will be displayed above. It's something like this. and we have the entire top solved. And also we have another case, another algorithm to solve this case, which is the T-Perm, and it'll also be displayed up top, and it'll be something like this. And that's the two algorithms you can use to solve that case. Lastly, you might run into a case without any headlights. This is a diag swap or a diagonal swap. So you can use any algorithm on 3x3 PLL that uses a diag swap, but I usually like to use the Y-Perm because that's the easiest one to memorize and execute on 2x2. And what it's like is you want to do algorithm on top as always. And there you go, we have PLL solved, and that's all the cases you can run into on a 2x2, and I think that covers it all. And that's all. Thanks for watching, guys, and as always, please subscribe if you can, and like this video, and if you want, leave a comment down below if you want to say anything. As always, a lot of people are saying hi, and I don't know why that's happening, but it's okay. And also, if you're wondering, I didn't have time to do a review on the Valk yet, but what I'm thinking about the cube right now is it feels really nice, but the only problem is it's a little bit slow, but that's okay. Alright, thanks for watching, guys. Bye.